Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. Today we are doing Louis Vuitton unboxing, but first of all, look at what I got. So I went there and this was a little gift. I think you could get it from any shop if you ask for it. So I already had these 3 Louis Vuitton perfume samples. We've got one is On the Beach, which is a sweet perfume. Then we've got the California Dream, which is also very sweet, but I think it's less sweet than the On the Beach. And finally we've got this one, the Afternoon Swim, which I prefer over the On the Beach and the California Dream because this is less sweet, it's a bit more masculine, and I prefer perfumes that have a lemon touch. And I think this one is more lemony and these one are more sweet. But I think the 3 of them are really interesting and smell well and also hold the whole day on your skin, which is also important that you don't put perfume in the morning and in the afternoon it disappears and or the smell is different. That also happened to me, that the smell in the beginning is different from the last one, and in this case I think the smell lasts and is approximately the same the whole day, and I think it's very important. So as I already had them and you can see they are nearly empty or empty, I asked for more samples and they gave me 3 more. These are the same. They come in this small packaging. Ah no, these are different. Coeur Battant. I didn't know it. And then we've also got the California Dream, which I already got. And the Rose des Vents is also different. Okay, so I will try them and keep you updated if I like them or not. I've also got a bigger bag here from Louis Vuitton and a huge box inside. And of course, we've also got the bill, and I will tell you the price of this item. Here we've got the box, and this is a normal Louis Vuitton box. It's not a capucine, it hasn't got this capucine closure here, so not a capucine. This one is a magnetic closure. We've got a small card because of a birthday, and we've got also a little message inside. This is also a letter. And here we are, the Louis Vuitton dust bag. I like the simplicity of the dust bag. I really like it. Black and this beige color, off-white. It's simple and I like that. Okay, so ta-da! This is a toiletry pouch in the monogram. Everything monogram. Usually I'm not a monogram fan. I don't have any items in monogram. But this one is okay for me. It's an accessory. It's not a bag that I carry every day. We've got here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Yes, I like that. Made in France. Let's open this. Ta-da! You see it's pink inside, and we've got one toiletry pouch more. So now we've got 2. So this is a pink inside, and here we've got, ta-da, a 3rd toiletry pouch. Don't you think this is amazing? And here inside is this purple pink color, fuchsia pink. It's very, very nice. So we've got fuchsia pink, we've got this poppy red, and we've got this pink, baby pink color. I think this is so cute, and that's why I bought them. As I said, actually I bought them as a gift, and that's why I had this gift card inside. I checked the price. I also tell you it has already gotten a price increase. It is as 1,240 euros, and I think for 1,200 is a great price. The 3 of them are made in France, and this is nice. I always say I really appreciate it when an item is made in the country of its origin, where the brand is established and where the brands come from. And here in this case, Louis Vuitton is a French brand, and these toiletry pouches are made in France. So what do I want more? This is perfect. This is the Louis Vuitton canvas. So actually you need to look, the canvas looks like this. So it's the L and the V for Louis Vuitton, and the capucine flowers. So this is canvas, this is not leather. The sales associate told me that canvas is a cotton fabric coated with wax, so that it's impermeable and that water cannot damage it. And it's very, very durable. It's more durable than leather actually, and the first items of Louis Vuitton were always made in canvas, and leather came later in their collections. And the only leather part that you can find is this little tail from the zipper, and it is non-treated leather, so this will get a patina, it will darken over time. The inside, so this one is in this pink color, and this is a leather lined, but it's coated so that it's wipeable and it won't get any damage with the water. So we've got 2 more pouches. We've got the second one, it has the same construction, it's a bit smaller, and inside is this poppy red color. Oh, and we've got even the materials on this small etiquette. Yes, the exterior is the canvas. Oh no, the interior is also canvas. So yes, everything is wipeable. The interior is not leather, it's also canvas, coated canvas, and in this poppy red color. And the last one is even smaller, so you can see in comparison to the one in the middle and in comparison to the biggest one. And this has got this purple color, which I also think is beautiful. And on the zipper, every zipper has got the initials of LV. The zipper have this gold color, and you can open and close it with the zipper. I think in this one I would put my essentials for the bathroom. It means my hairbrush, my toothpaste, my daily face cream, and of course my toothbrush. I would say this would be everything in this. Then in the middle one I would put some makeup, every makeup, and also the makeup brushes that we need. And in the last one I would put some medication if I go on holidays, or even if to store at home, I would put medications and what you need in case you're ill or sick. And yes, here are the 3 pouches. So I can close one and we can put them all together inside. And we can put them in the last one. Like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about these toiletry pouches, feel free to ask. I'm not sure that they will be available very long in the shop because if you know Louis Vuitton, they had these toiletry pouches, the trio a few years ago, and then they were discontinued, and this year they came back, but with specific colors in the interior, because the previous one had only a beige color like other Louis Vuitton canvas bags. They had like this beige, and here they have a pop of color. So if you're interested in them, I think the price is quite fair. Yes, it is expensive for a toiletry pouch, I understand that, but if you really like them, then purchase them before they are gone. And if you need them, of course, because if you don't need them, then don't buy them. I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to ask questions. If you like this video, then please thumbs up and follow me. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.